Today, we will observe market structure in close action and talk about how to trade weak or strong markets. We will discover how to find entry locations with our best trading view indicator. Furthermore, we will also learn how to make entries or use other methods to catch trades. If you are good to go, it is time to start now. Let's take a look at this 5-minute Bitcoin chart and do a bit simple brainstorming together. At first glance, you can clearly see this very obvious support and resistance flip area on the chart. If you look lower on the chart, the market was crashing hard, but then turned around after this market structure break, which triggered a very strong bullish reaction. So naturally, you can see the market kept making new higher highs and repeated break of structures to the upside. Eventually, taking this long trade feels very natural and logical in this situation. That's because the market kept making new break of structures higher and showing clear bullish strength. There's also a clean support and resistance flip here if you noticed. And you can clearly see the imbalance area right at the trade entry zone. But this trade ended up failing in the end. However, a failed trade does not mean the idea itself was wrong at all. This is actually a very solid and great trading idea. And if I solve this setup again, I will take it over and over and over again without hesitation. It really doesn't bother me at all when a setup like this loses once. Later on, you can see that the overall structure started to shift downwards and the bears slowly took the control again. Price kept making new lower lows and continued pushing the market lower with a strong momentum. If you took a logical short position here, that would not be wrong either. The reason is simple, because price was clearly crashing and following a strong bearish momentum. This is exactly how you follow the momentum in the market. It is almost always better to trade with the power and the momentum rather than trying to fight the markets and reverse the move. And sometime later, if you pay close attention, you will notice the structure changed again, with the strong move from the bottom all the way to the top. If you look above again, price came back into this support and resistance flip area along with an inner structure change. This time, the trade actually worked perfectly as we planned. So when you compare the first trade and the last trade, you see one loss and one win. But if you really study them closely, you will notice they are basically 100% identical trades and patterns. So what you do as a trader is keep playing the same patterns or strategies again and again without changing your approach. So what is the real meaning of this video and why does it actually matter? It is honestly not overly complicated at all when you break it down step by step. As you can see, we played the exact same patterns in both examples without changing anything. We had a SR flip, followed the bullish momentum in both trades, and waited patiently for an inner structure shift to enter clean and compact trades. Even though we played the exact same patterns, the first trade failed, and the last trade ended up winning. And this is where the real trick of trading of the same pattern actually comes from. It all comes down to timing and the total number of trades you take over time. Because if you keep trading the same patterns, it honestly does not matter what the tool is. It could be RSI trading, it could be trend-based setups, or it could be even moving averages. If you take the same trades over and over and over again hundreds of times, what we are really trying to achieve here is the net profit at the end. A lot of people focus too much on a single trade instead of a bigger picture. For example, they say, I used this pattern once and the trade failed, so this pattern must be useless. But the truth is, you cannot see the results until you trade the same patterns, setups, or strategies consistently for hundreds of trades. Okay, folks, have a great and lovely day. Please stay safe and see you soon. Completed the free trading course but still need more? My master classes teach liquidity, imbalance, and the market structure in detail. Combine them with forward and reverse trading using momentum superboxes and yo-yo cost average entry models. After that, you will master scalping with a one-screen free trading view indicator, a revolutionary trading system. Finally, you will learn to invest your profits using my 10-year swing investing with working agent system. Interested? Please see the video description.